The Samsung S24 Ultra Mobile emerges as a powerhouse in the smartphone arena. Upon unboxing, including a fast charger, USB-C cable, user manual, and ejection pin, some surprises that enhance the overall user experience. The device's titanium frame. Explore the elegant design from both the back and front, highlighting the seamless integration of the titanium frame. The Samsung S24 Ultra Mobile incorporates Corning Gorilla Armor with an impressive IP68 rating. Explore the variety of color options available for the Samsung S24 Ultra Mobile, whether you prefer the classic titanium gray or want to make a statement with titanium yellow. The camera setup on the Samsung S24 Ultra Mobile is nothing short of exceptional. From high-resolution sensors to advanced imaging capabilities. Uncover the immersive display of the Samsung S24 Ultra Mobile. With an expansive screen size, vibrant colors, and high resolution. One of the standout features of the Samsung S24 Ultra Mobile is the built-in S Pen. Gamers rejoice. The Samsung S24 Ultra Mobile is optimized for hyper-realistic gameplay. The device's battery life is a crucial aspect.